10 vocabulary words each for beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. Beginner. 1. Happy. 2. Sad. 3. Big. 4. Small. 5. Fast. 6. Slow. 7. Friend. 8. Family. 9. Eat. 10. Drink. Intermediate. 1. Ecstatic. 2. Devastated. 3. Enormous. 4. Tiny. 5. Rapid. 6. Gradual. 7. Acquaintance. 8. Relatives. 9. Consume. 10. Quench. Advanced. 1. Blissful. 2. Despondent. 3. Immense. 4. Minuscule. 5. Swift. 6. Leisurely. 7. Companion. 8. Kin. 9. Ingest. 10. Hydrate. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!